Cody's here. Focus on driving. He's driving. We are going to the wonderful land that is IKEA because I broke a salad bowl last night. So we need to get it replaced. This morning I went for a massage and it was really nice. I wanted to go before Christmas, but the girl that I go to was super busy, so I booked one now. And what did you do? Oh, you dropped off a table.
I sold a table via Vancouver Buy and Sell.
Yeah.
And I'm always really self-conscious about selling things that we've used before, so I cleaned it like 3 times.
He used bleach to clean it. It's a white coffee table, a $30 coffee table from IKEA, and Cody's sitting there this morning bleaching it.
I felt bad, especially because the pictures looked a little misleading.
It looked fine.
The picture I took was just like, it looked like the table was pure white, but there were actually a few marks on them.
From a distance.
And when I dropped it off, she actually like touched one of the marks, and I was like, yeah, there's a few marks on it. Bye.
Give me my $20. Bye. Was she okay with it?
No, she seemed fine, but she just like oh, like kind of pointed out the little mark on it.
I said there was marks. I didn't say it was the most gorgeous IKEA black table, you know?
We mentioned that there were marks. Just didn't, the photo didn't look like there were.
And from far away. Anyway, he sold the table.
I felt the cable guy, he was like, when he was talking about that he was allergic to cats, and he's like, yeah, my wife got a cat one time because she told me she was lonely. But then I found out I was allergic to it, so I had to get rid of it. I was like, oh, poor wife and cat.
Yeah. Sad all around. Oh, poor kitty. I want another cat. I
had a dream about it.
I did too!
Oh, no way.
Oh my god, I had
a dream that Noodle had babies.
That would be the best thing ever. He's a boy and he's definitely
not that he had the babies, but
he was the daddy.
Yeah, he was the daddy. And I came home and there was another cat, and then there was like baby kittens.
I would die! But he's spayed, neutered.
Yeah, he's neutered. He's noodled. He's
noodled. That's crazy. The past 2 nights I've actually had dreams about like cats and like other animals. I think it was puppies the first night actually, but like, wow. Does that mean we need to get another cat? Why are we matching?
How are we matching?
Our jackets. So much green going on today.
Well, you're camouflaged and
They can't see me.
Visible.
Great. We're here at IKEA. Well, let's go. But first, food. So we got our food. Code got the butter chicken. And I got the chicken meatballs, which are so good. I actually do buy them because they're pretty dang tasty. And the best part is the lingonberry jam. So one of the reasons why we came was to get a large frame to go above our TV, because now that we don't have the stockings there, it looks really bare. So we're gonna maybe get this one and print one picture from our New Zealand drone footage. Hopefully that works out. And then the only other things we have are the salad bowls, and Cody is getting a French press. Why are you being so crazy? No, why are you running around? Calm. Be calm. That's my shirt. Thank you. Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Hope you're all having a good day so far. I woke up this morning and went to Pure Bar. It was the end of my free trial week, so I think I will end up purchasing the month for $99. We'll see how it goes. It's still really difficult for me, but it is really fun and I like the challenge. And even if I have to take continuous breaks, I think in the long run, if I keep going consistently, I'll see results, because damn does my booty burn when I'm in that class. It's really good. Anyway, came home after that. I showered. This is my crazy natural hair, if you've ever wondered what my natural hair is. I didn't brush it or anything, and it's actually drying so much faster. It's definitely the blonde, but as you can see, it's so kinky and wavy, but we're just gonna leave it. I also did some fresh makeup today, and actually that's what I wanted to bring you guys on here for, to do a quick little PR haul. If you follow my Insta stories, you might have seen a few of these things, but the first little good bag of goods that I got was from Essie, and they came out with these new Strength and Color Treat, Love and Color polishes. So it's like a strengthener and a polish in one, and then they come in, you know, different shades. I really like that color. And here's a look at the Treat, Love and Color strengthener polishes that they have. They have a lot of good neutrals, which is really nice. I do really like that like taupey purpley color, but yeah, those are really cool. I'm excited. And then I showed you guys on my Insta stories that I got a package from Smashbox. It's a bunch of their new stick foundations. This is their Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. So essentially it has your soft contour on on one side and then your foundation on the other, which is really cool. I actually asked you guys on my Instagram to do a poll if I should try out this foundation or the next one I'm going to show you, and the next one won, so that's what I'm wearing today. This one is from Rimmel, and so this one again had all of the shades of foundation. It a couple of them kind of like exploded by accident, like in the mail, so this is a really shoddy shot of it, but these are the foundations. It's super cool. It came with concealers, which I tried those out too. The coolest thing about this foundation is the fact that the applicator is a large doe foot, so similar to that Clinique foundation. So here's what my face looks like today. I use the shade 100, which is the third darkest shade, and then I use the second lightish concealer, and I don't like the applicator on it, but it's pretty good. We'll see how it wears, and maybe I'll just give you guys an update on here too if you missed the Insta stories. And then I tried the new Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. It's the coconut one, and I really like it so far. The lashes are very long. So that's basically all I've been doing today, is trying out new makeup and chatting on Instagram and stuff, which is good. I do have to go finish my video because I was having some problems exporting it, which is very annoying, but the video that I'm posting on Saturday, which would have already been up by the time you see this, is a closet declutter video, and I love the way it turned out, so hopefully you guys want to go see that. It's on my main channel. Go check it out. It's pretty dope. Yeah, that's all for now. I will see you guys later. Well, hello there. It is Saturday. It has been a very long time since I vlogged. I don't know why, I just didn't feel inclined to like film a whole lot earlier this week, so hopefully you guys are fine with that. But today I am actually, well, it's like 3:30 and I'm gonna go do the thing that I hate doing on the weekends, and that is grocery shopping, because I just need to get a few things because I really want to make us dinner tonight and just like prep myself for the week ahead. I was gonna film today because I have a video due on Monday, but I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow when Cody has the day off and he can help me. So we filmed a bit this morning, but I'm gonna film most of it tomorrow, so that's why I kind of want to run my errands and get things sorted today so we don't have to do that tomorrow. So after the last clip you guys saw, basically what went down this week is I went to the gym twice, I had a dentist appointment. So far so good. I bought an electric toothbrush at Costco. We got our drone picture framed, if that makes sense. So this is a screen grab. You guys would have seen it at the end of some of my previous vlogs. It's a screen grab from the drone footage we took in New Zealand. This is the Coromandel, and it was one of my favorite spots. And so what we did was we just screenshotted it. Cody like touched it up a little bit, and then we blew it up at Costco. And then the frame is actually from IKEA because it's pretty reasonable there. So yeah, that's something I've been wanting to do for like a year now. So I'm so happy it's up, and it looks really good, and it matches like the black frames over there. So pretty happy with that. I also had the chance to go to Daiso, which is an Asian dollar store. So when I get back from running my errands, I will share with you guys everything I got because it's pretty exciting. It's like one of the best stores ever. So yeah, I'll share with you guys that stuff, but let's go do some grocery shopping. Also, if you guys have a Google Home, this is honestly one of my favorite features. It's a shopping list that you have on your phone, and when you ask Google, it'll actually add the things. So here's an example. Okay, Google, can I add something to my shopping list?
What do you want to add?
Avocados. So once you ask her what you want to add, and then you go to your shopping list after you refresh it, there it is. And then the best part is when you're in the store, all you have to do is check it off, and then it disappears. So handy. I'm so excited. I actually do need avocados though, so let's uncheck that one. So I'm home now from the grocery store. I didn't film anything in the store because it was so insanely busy, and I hate shopping when it's super busy, let alone having to film it. Not my thing. But I figured since we're here, I would do a little mini grocery haul. I spent quite a bit of money, but I think this is going to be good for the rest of the week. I have about 1, 2, 3, like 4 or 5 meals here, so that should be good. Tonight I'm going to be making a healthier version of chicken parmesan because I've been craving something like that, and it's Saturday night, so why the heck not? So we're going to do chicken parm with some salad. Pretty simple, but you know, for some reason I've also been craving balsamic vinaigrette, so I got some of that for the salad. But other than that, here's the groceries. So in the back here, for some reason, I have been wanting carbonated water like no other lately. I do not like carbonation though, so that's why this is super weird. One of my favorite flavors though is the mandarin, so I got 4 of those. Got some unsweetened almond milk. We got a couple things of chicken breasts, and then underneath is one of my favorite like quick meals that they offer at the grocery store is like a chicken teriyaki noodle dish. Not the healthiest, but it's pretty good. We got some breadcrumbs for tonight. We got a spring mix and some spinach underneath. We got tortillas because I'm going going to be doing fajitas one of the nights. Also picked up some paprika and ground cumin for that recipe. In the back we got some dish soap, balsamic vinaigrette. We got blueberries, frozen blueberries, and some organic brown whole flaxseed because I want to make protein balls and they required these. And then moving on to fresh stuff, we got some mandarin oranges. I've been loving these lately. They're so good and just like a nice sweet snack after dinner. I got a bunch of red peppers and we got some zucchini, a couple avocados, green beans, asparagus, kale, and lastly a cucumber. And that's it. Alrighty, dinner is done and ready to be eaten. Here's the chicken parm. If it's good, I will link the recipe down below. Just be sure you do give it an egg wash before you breadcrumb it because I made the mistake of not doing that. I don't know why I didn't, but I like realized halfway through that nothing was sticking, so then I did the egg wash. So it's not as breadcrumby as it should be, but I think it'll still taste good nonetheless. And then a little nice side salad. So I just finished up my dinner as you guys saw and I rate it 10 out of 10 again. I don't know what it is. I never have good luck with recipes like this, so definitely recommend it. I will have the link down below and it totally satisfied all the cravings that I had for this evening's meal, so pretty happy about that. And now I wanted to show you guys all the things I got at Daiso. So for those of you that don't know, Daiso is a really awesome Asian dollar store. So they have a bunch of stuff, and like the one that I went to, which is in Richmond in Vancouver, it is massive, so I got a lot of things. The reason I actually went there was to pick up these Q-tips. I love them so much that I picked up 3 packages, but the cool thing about these is they come individually packaged, and one side is super pointy and the other side is just like a regular Q-tip, so they're completely sanitized, or sanitary I guess, every time you use them. So nice for doing makeup, and the pointy side is really good for getting off eyeliner or just like, you know, correcting anything. So I really like those and they last a long time, so happy about that. I don't know why I bought these. I really didn't need them, but they were so cute and I love the colors of them. They're fluorescent marker pastel colors. I think they're highlighters, but they're just really nice pastel colors. And then I got a couple of these because I had a friend at dance, Candace. She mentioned that you can get these little like knee covers at Daiso for like $2 each, and they're really good for dance if you're doing floor work. So picked up a couple of those. I don't know if I'm actually going to use them ever, but it's nice to have in my dance bag in case we do a combo that has a lot of floor work and my knees don't really feel the best. Now with this whole health journey that I'm going on, or currently, you know, adventuring into, I still love my sweets and I really like cake making and stuff. So instead of making an entire cake for myself, because that is just not smart at all, I picked up these little cake pans. So I thought this would be a good way to test a recipe to see if it works, if I like the flavor and stuff like that before I make a big cake to share with people, because they're like mini. Of course I'd share these too, but I just thought they were so cute and they were only $4 each, so I got 2 of those. And then some other like kitchen-y stuff I got. Cody wanted, or I asked Cody if he wanted this. It's an avocado slicer and knife, so you just like have the slicer and a knife. Seems really pretty straightforward and cool. And then these were so cute. I wanted a new whisk and another spatula just for cooking, because I am doing so much more cooking at home that I'm going through my utensils very quickly. So those are really cute. And then I actually think it's in here too. I got another mini whisk for when I'm doing drinks and stuff, so it's just a little baby one, which is nice. And then Cody picked up some nail files. It's a fun pattern, little tribal print there. And then what else? I also picked up some of these face razors. I use these kind of around the top of my eyebrow just to kind of keep it smooth and simple. You can also use these if you want to get rid of peach fuzz on your face. They work really well, so got those. And then the last thing I picked up was just this little like pumice stone heel file thing for my bathroom. It's winter, I have dry feet. Moving on. That was actually the last thing in this haul, so hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the things I picked up and also my groceries from earlier. This is probably where I'm going to end this week's vlog though, just because we have filming to do tomorrow and then it's Monday and we start a whole new vlog. Just wanted to like quickly interrupt that outro for 1 second and let you guys know that the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline is a hit. Highly recommend. That is all. Okay, outro. This coming week is going to be very exciting. There is an Urban Decay event that I'm going to and just some other fun things. So stay tuned for the next one, and thank you so much for watching this one. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, definitely do so. And yeah, I love you guys and I will see you next week. Bye!